In this video, I'm going to show you a great way to pack up bulky items for storage or moving. Today I'm going to show you how to store all of this into this. This can be a super easy project. All you're going to need is a trash bag, Saran wrap or packing wrap like I have, and any vacuum cleaner. For the items we'll be storing, we're just going to simply put them in the trash bag. Get a lot of your trash bags. We've got everything in the trash bag. We're going to get the hose off of our vacuum cleaner, put it down into all, in this case, the stuffed animals or your pillows, and we're just going to turn on the vacuum cleaner.
It shrinks?
Now that all the air is out of it, we're just going to wrap it with our plastic wrap. The reason we're doing the Saran wrap is because it's going to try to let air back into it, but the Saran wrap's going to keep it down to its original size so air can't get back into it. Once you're done wrapping it with the Saran wrap, it's ready for storage. It's a pretty cool trick, actually.